Okay, so I have these 4 big trays with lids, and these are, let's see what these are. Sterilite modular stackers, 25 3/4 length by 18 3/8 wide by 7.5 inch high, 10 gallon, 38 liter. So I've got these, and I keep my stuff inside them. These are the main colors I used yesterday, and I just keep them wet. These are going to stay like this probably till January, or at least till the Christmas season's over. And I just spritz them a little. I use the 4-inch roller, 7-inch roller. This is a little blend roller I have. I was doing some type of peach, sort of yellowish red blend. Anyway, that's what I use these for. So these don't have lids because I keep them in here, and they stay a long time. And these are my other colors. Like this is a Caucasian flesh tone. This is the shadow for it. This is orange, kind of a sand color. Yeah, just different colors, greens, purples, things like that. And I keep them in these small containers, and they're pretty messy, but they work. And in the summertime I usually have to spritz these too, but this is where I keep my other colors, so I don't have to mix up new colors all the time. Okay, and here I have all my brushes, my Wooster. These are my little 4-inch rollers, and I don't have any of the 7-inch rollers now in here, but I have some 7-inch rollers. Well, you saw that one, that peach blend. And these are the roller covers, and then tons of 2-inch foam brushes, and some 1-inch foam brushes, and here's some blades for scraping. So that's where I keep all this stuff, in here, handy and ready to go. And this is some more colors. This was around Halloween, more colors. I don't have the orange anymore. This is a blend. I just add some more yellow and I make a yellow-green blend. So just some more stuff. These are my black brushes. I got this, another one of these little Sterilite, I think it's called, trays. This is where I put in my Ronin Aqua Coat, like so. And I have another can of that in the car. And then I have this Golden Fluid Acrylic Carbon Black. I just add a little bit, just a little bit more. This stuff's expensive, about 30 bucks for that. And this is where I keep my black brushes. They just stay in there. You know, I just leave them. They work. It works for me. And then I spritz this too, the black, to use that. So that's my black. And this black in here is Sherwin-Williams Peppercorn Black, Promar 200 interior eggshell. So that's a different black. That's for bold stuff. And then my sprayer, cameras and things over there. Pair of extra underwear. Actually, I brought those because I have thermals on. If it gets warm, I'll change back into those. And these are just some colors I'm probably going to be using for this New Year's Eve theme. Can you believe it? I'm doing New Year's Eve in the beginning of November. Anyway, and then I have brushes down here. These are wet. Sometimes I keep my black brushes down here too. These are some new ones. These are some old U-Truck brushes, but now I'm using the 162 Mac brushes. And I keep my brushes in there, and then at the end of the day I clean that out. I didn't clean it last night. So that's my setup and my camera, my beautiful camera. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that little video of my setup, and if anybody's got questions about other things, just leave them in the comment section, and I always answer the questions. Alright, see you later. Bye.